Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys another traditional origami. Today we're going to make a paper airplane. Now there's lots of variations of this. This is, I think, the sixth one actually. There's a lot to pick from. For this you just need one piece of origami paper, and I'm starting with a standard piece of 15 by 15 centimeters. What we want to do is we're going to actually fold it in half and cut it in half to be able to use just the half rectangular shape. If you prefer to fold your paper in half and use all your origami paper with no scissors, you can do that. The plane will be a lot more heavier and you won't have the nice dual tone from having front and back of the colors of paper that you're using. If you want to save paper, I definitely recommend cutting it in half, and then you can make two planes out of one sheet of paper. So what you want to do is start off with the color side facing down and just fold your paper in half, creating a nice crease. And then if you could take some scissors, you can cut right across that edge, and you should be able to get a nice piece of rectangular paper when you're done. Now this is half of the size of a standard piece of paper, so 15 by 7.5 centimeters. What we're going to do is we're going to start with our color side facing down, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold my paper in half long ways. Open it up. Then I'm going to use that center as a guideline for the next folds. What I want to do is take this top upper edge and roll it down so that that edge runs right into the center crease that we just made. We make a nice little triangle, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. And then we're going to repeat those steps one more time. Now this part can be a little tricky because sometimes the paper tries to pop out on its own, but just try to focus on getting a nice point there at the top, line your center up, and smooth your edge out. And then we'll do the same thing with this side too, so that we wind up with something like this. Now we're just going to fold everything in half and make a nice crease right through the middle where we already had our crease. And I'm going to take and fold down these edges to create the last bit of my plane. Now the crease I'm going to make is going to be parallel with the bottom edge, so I can just roll my paper down and keep this side lined up when I do this to know that I'm keeping everything straight. Now you can play around with this and see how far down when you fold it, if that changes how well it flies or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and kind of pick a spot here, and then we flip it over and just copy that by lining everything up with this crease when we do the other side. And once that's finished, you can push up those wings there on your plane, and then you just hold along this nice straight section here when you throw the plane. And that is a completed traditional origami paper airplane. I have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!